We have explored the surface of Mars more thoroughly than we have explored the bottom of our own ocean. Let that sink in for a second. The deep sea covers more than half of our entire planet, and more than 80% of it remains completely unmapped, unexplored, and unknown. We have no idea what is truly down there. And here is the thing that makes this even more exciting. We have already pulled up creatures from the deep ocean that we thought were extinct. Animals that science had declared gone forever, suddenly showing up alive and completely unbothered. So if it has happened before, what else could be down there right now, swimming around in the dark, totally unaware that we think it no longer exists? Today we are looking at some of the most incredible extinct animals that might still be alive somewhere in the deep sea. And trust me, some of these are going to completely change the way you think about the ocean. We will start with the coelacanth, the one that already came back, before we get into the ones that might still be out there. We have to talk about the one that already proved everyone wrong. The coelacanth is a large, prehistoric fish that scientists were completely certain had gone extinct around 66 million years ago. It was known only through fossils. Case closed. Then in 1938, a South African museum curator noticed something unusual sitting in a pile of fish at a local dock, a large, strange-looking fish with thick, fleshy fins that looked almost like limbs. It was confirmed as a living coelacanth. The scientific world was absolutely stunned. Since then, living coelacanths have been found in the Indian Ocean and near Indonesia, living in deep underwater caves and rocky slopes. An animal thought to be extinct for 66 million years was just casually living its best life in the deep ocean the whole time. This one discovery alone proves that the deep sea can hide things from us for an extraordinarily long time. And if it hid the coelacanth, what else is it hiding? That is the question that keeps marine scientists genuinely excited about every new deep-sea expedition they send down. Next up, we have the megalodon. Okay, we have to talk about this one because it is the one everybody wants to know about. The megalodon was a shark, but calling it just a shark feels almost insulting. It reached lengths of around 50 to 60 feet and had teeth the size of a human hand. It was quite possibly the most powerful marine predator to ever exist, and it officially went extinct around 3.6 million years ago. Most serious scientists will tell you the megalodon is almost certainly gone. A predator that size would need to eat enormous amounts of food, and we would likely see evidence of that regularly: whale carcasses with massive bite marks washing up on beaches, for example. But here is what keeps the conversation alive: the deep ocean trenches. Like the Mariana Trench, reaching nearly 36,000 feet deep, are almost completely unexplored. The pressure down there is crushing. The darkness is absolute, and our technology for exploring those depths is still extremely limited. We have found megalodon teeth on the ocean floor that some researchers have suggested appeared fresher than expected. Most scientists dispute this, but the conversation has never fully gone away. The ocean is big enough and deep enough that the idea, however unlikely, cannot be completely dismissed with 100% certainty. Now we will talk about the giant sea scorpion, Geckalopterus. This one is the stuff of nightmares. Geckalopterus was a giant sea scorpion that lived around 390 million years ago, reaching lengths of around 8 feet, one of the largest arthropods to ever exist. It had claws, a segmented body, and was an aggressive, active predator in the ancient seas. It went extinct hundreds of millions of years ago, so the chances of it still being alive are essentially zero. But here is why it belongs on this list. Horseshoe crabs, which are related to scorpions, have barely changed in over 400 million years and are still alive today. Deep-sea isopods, ancient, armored, segmented creatures that look like they belong in another era, are regularly pulled up from the deep ocean, and they are very much real. Ancient arthropod body plans have proven incredibly durable over hundreds of millions of years. The deep ocean floor is cold, dark, stable, and changes very slowly, which is exactly the kind of environment where ancient creatures can survive without needing to evolve much at all. The deep sea has a habit of preserving old life forms in ways that nowhere else on Earth can match. Next on our list is the mosasaur. Here is one that genuinely excites researchers and ocean enthusiasts alike. Mosasaurs were massive marine reptiles that ruled the oceans during the time of the dinosaurs. They were not dinosaurs themselves, but they lived alongside them and were every bit as impressive. Some species reached lengths of over 50 feet. They were fast, agile, powerful, and sat right at the very top of the ancient ocean food chain before going extinct around 66 million years ago. The reason mosasaurs keep coming up in these conversations is because of the occasional mysterious deep-sea catches that fishermen and researchers have pulled up over the years, large, unidentified carcasses that do not match any known living species. Most of these turn out to be decomposed basking sharks, which can look remarkably strange and almost reptilian when they decay. But here is the thing: marine reptiles as a group are not entirely gone. Sea turtles and sea snakes are still very much alive and thriving today. So the body plan absolutely works in the ocean. Nature has already proven that. Whether anything as large and dramatic as a mosasaur survives in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean is a question that science has not completely closed the door on just yet. Here is the truth that ties all of this together. The deep ocean is the largest living space on our entire planet, and we have explored less than 20% of it. Every single deep-sea expedition comes back with new species, new discoveries, and new questions that nobody had even thought to ask before. The coelacanth already proved that extinction is not always the final word when it comes to the ocean. Animals thought to be gone forever have a way of showing up when we least expect it. Could megalodons still be down there? Almost certainly not. Could something ancient, something we have never seen before, something that completely rewrites what we think we know about life on this planet, could that be down there? Absolutely yes. Scientists believe that. Explorers believe that. And after everything the deep sea has already shown us, it would honestly be more surprising if there were no more secrets left hiding in those dark, cold waters. The ocean is still talking. We just have not learned how to listen to all of it yet.